welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am back with a quick and a healthy recipe with using apples. I had some apples with me, so thought of making an apple cake. So let's see the ingredients. Before seeing the ingredients, I hope you all have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please do and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. So let's see the ingredients. These are 2 red apples. This is powdered brown sugar. This is a healthier option than white sugar. I have taken 1 bowl of powdered brown sugar. This is 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is 1 bowl of melted butter. This is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 bowl of warm milk, and 2 bowls of wheat flour, and this is oil, which we will need only 2 tablespoons. So let's begin. We will also need baking powder. I have taken 2 tablespoons of baking powder and half tablespoon of baking soda. First of all, we will peel and make a puree of these apples in the mixer grinder, and then we will proceed towards the other ingredients. Now let's start with the ingredients. First we will take all dry ingredients. Let us take the atta first, sieve it properly, and just go on adding. This is the powdered brown sugar. Now let us add the baking powder and the baking soda and cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder gives a nice flavor to the cake and it goes very well with apple. So now let's sieve all the things properly. You can see I have sieved the dry ingredients properly. Now we will go on to our wet ingredients. Now let's start with 1 bowl of milk. Then this is the apple puree which I just made. Let's add the puree in the milk. Now let's add the melted butter. And let's add the vanilla essence. This is optional. If you don't like the essence, you can skip it. Now let's give it a nice mix. Now let us add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Put in the wet ingredients little by little so we get a good consistency, and keep on folding the batter until all the ingredients mix nicely. Now we will mix it very nicely and fold it to a nice batter. As you can see, I have nicely mixed all the ingredients. Now we will put 2 tablespoons of any vegetable oil and just again give it a good mix. This is a cooker tin which I have taken here. You can use professional baking tins if you have. I didn't have, so I'm using this aluminium container. So I put the butter paper inside it, and now I am applying the butter. Now let's pour the cake mixture in this tin. Now just give this tin a good tap so it is leveled properly, and now we will put it in the kadai. I'm not going to make it in a microwave. You can also bake it in a microwave for 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees centigrades. So now let's keep it in our kadai. Here I have kept this steaming kadai on the flame for now 15 minutes. I have poured salt in the on the bottom and I have kept just a steel tray on it. And now we have very carefully place our cake inside it and cover it and bake it for first 30 minutes and then we will check. It has been 35 minutes. Let's check our cake. Just put a knife inside. It is still sticking to the knife, so it will require 15 more minutes. So let's cover it and wait for 15 more minutes. Now let us check on the cake. It has been 50 minutes. It has been on the flames. So yeah, the knife has come out clean. Let us check it from all the sides. It has been baked. Yeah. So now we will let it cool down. Take it out from the flames and let it cool down for 15 to 20 minutes and then we will serve it. Let us take it out from, be careful, it is hot. I am placing this cake to cool for some minutes and then we will take it out. It has been 10 to 15 minutes, the cake has been resting. So now let's take out in the plate. Just check for the sides. Very slowly move the knife so the sides come out well. Now take the plate and we will just hold it like this and turn it. Wow, it has come out really nice. Let's take out the butter paper. Some castor sugar on it. Now let's sprinkle some cinnamon powder. It is smelling very divine. As you can see, our apple cake is ready. I just garnish it with few slices of apple and just powdered little cinnamon powder on it and have put 2 walnuts on it. So here it goes. I hope you like the recipe. Do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section below how was your trial, and share this recipe with your friends and family. See you next time with a new recipe. Till then, take care, stay strong friends, bye.